Assalamualaikum pretty viewers, the Smart Fantasy is back again with another video. In this video we are going to talk about that how we can install Terminator in Kali Linux, and I hope that everybody knows that what is Terminator and how does it work. Simply, Terminator is multiple terminal app, you can say, or tool in Kali Linux through which you can get out multiple works in multiple terminals in just one app. So it's real simple, just follow the steps. First, open a terminal, and it is the latest update of Kali Linux as well. You might be surprised that it looks different, but it's not. Actually, I have upgraded this. So first you have to search for apt, or you have just type this command apt-get install Terminator, and then just operation, invalid operation, install Terminator. Oh sorry, I just spelled wrong, install one. So I'll just like this and just click enter. Now it will install Terminator. Now it is asking for the permission, do you want to continue or not, so we'll put Y, yes, just click enter. Now it will install Terminator. It will take some time. Here you can see the Terminator has been installed. Now we have to search for Terminator here. So just come to this main menu. Here you can see, just click on it and just search for Terminator. Here you can see this Terminator window has been popped up. So we will just add in a favorite, add to favorites. Now it will come to our favorite list, that means in desktop. So here simply just come back and just exit this by tapping exit, and we'll exit it, and now we'll open Terminator. As I showed you, for example, before working on it, so let's open its normal terminal. Here you can see, here you have just used just one terminal one time, but here you can take out multiple works. Here I will give the example. For example, I want to do some work like ls and cd downloads, and again ls. For example, if this is full up and now I want to open a new one, so just right click on this Terminator and just split vertically or horizontally, so it will open a new one. Here I have to just take out some more words, cd. I will go just one step back and clear that terminal, and now again ls. For example, this time I want to change the directory into pictures. Here you can see, in this way you can use this Terminator. How many windows or terminal you want, you can open it like this, and here as well, for example, if you want. So in this way you can install Terminator. If you are facing any kind of trouble while installing this Terminator, so please feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be watching and responding your comment. So till next video, take care, Allah Hafiz.